Are you ready to turn your academic dreams into reality with a fully funded scholarship to study in London? Join us in this exclusive video as we unveil the UAL International Postgraduate Scholarship 2024, a life-changing opportunity that covers full tuition, accommodation, and living expenses, all with no application fees. Discover the full range of benefits, eligibility criteria, and a step-by-step guide on how to apply for this prestigious scholarship. Don't miss out on this chance to pursue your passion in one of the world's most exciting cities. Watch now and make your dreams of studying in London a reality.
Here we are again, guys. Welcome back, and if you are new, also welcome. Welcome to your scholarship guide. And as already said in the introduction, today we'll be talking about this scholarship in the UK, World International Postgraduate Scholarship for 2024. So as introduced, I will be talking about the benefit of the scholarship and the eligibility criteria, and also how to apply the scholarship step by step. So I will be showing you everything about the scholarship from the beginning to the end. So make sure you already subscribed so that you don't waste anything and then you don't miss anything regarding scholarship abroad, and also that you have from time to time update. Make sure also you stay until the end of this video so that you get all the information related to this opportunity. So as you can see here, this scholarship covers the cost of tuition fees, the full cost of tuition fees, accommodation at one of all hall of residence, and may also contribute towards living cost up to 4 World International Postgraduate. You can see here £50,000 scholarship are available, so no worries for financial program. Okay, so here we have the eligibility criteria. It has many eligibility criteria, up to 5, but we'll go step by step. The first one is that you must have an offer to study a full-time taught master's course. So this scholarship is not undergraduate scholarship, but it's a master program scholarship, as it stayed postgraduate course. So in one of World College and Institute starting in 2024 for 2025 academic year. So I will show you what are the World College and also Institute, and also how to find the courses, and how also to apply perfectly. So first of all, you need to have an offer, and for that I will also show you after this eligibility part. I will show you also how to find the course and also how to apply. So before applying to the scholarship, you need to have an offer. Okay, so after that, this offer must have a graded diploma or MArch architecture, master of architecture, or MI or MFA, or an MBA, or also MRS or MS qualification. You see, these are one of the criteria for the offer that you should have. Your course must be delivered full-time in London, not also online, not also in part-time or online program. It's all on in a full-time in-person program. You are not eligible to apply if you hold a UK postgraduate third qualification. Okay, and then the second criteria is that you need to ordinarily reside in one of the low-income countries detailed in our list. In this list of qualifying country is see below. It's been here. You see, these are the countries. If your country is one of those countries here, if you are in one of these between this country, it means you are available. You are eligible to apply to the scholarship. Okay, try to make sure that you have your country here before starting this application, because it's very, very important. Okay, so after you make sure that you have your country available in this eligibility criteria, you should have evidence such as copy of immigration ID to make sure proof of your address must be included as part of your qualification to make sure that you are in one of these countries. And if not, you are an asylum seeker in the UK. If you are an asylum seeker also in the UK, you can also apply if you are at the point in which you met your scholarship. For example, when you are making the scholarship, you are a asylum seeker in the UK, so you can apply for the scholarship as well. If you need assistance in this application, please, you can contact directly the student funding. The criteria 3 is that your annual household income must be 25,000 pounds or less than this amount. Okay, and then you can know that directly from here. Okay, you see in the criteria 5 here, you will know it's supporting evidence and how much is your currency. You can directly convert the money from your country to directly in pounds to know exactly if you are eligible for the scholarship. The criteria 4 is that you must provide a personal statement as part of your scholarship. You see, this one must be 350 words. And what does this include? The first one is to describe how receiving a postgraduate scholarship will make a difference to you. You will make sure that you emphasize on those information in your application letter. And also you tell them how you intend to use the qualification you will be gaining to support your future plan. You will first describe your background, what you want to plan, and also what you want to do in your country after your study. For example, describe how you would address challenges in your home country, for example. You see, make sure to link your background and also achievement and also the plan that you would like to do. You link that to the objective of this program to stand out during this application, and also tell how you would uphold the value of social justice and environmental stewardship. Okay, so the fifth criteria is supporting evidence. Okay, the supporting evidence is just document that share that okay, you are really someone who is living in this country, and also you need this scholarship. You see, there are many information here, like one evidence that you are ordinary resident in one of the low income countries. One term of ordinary residence means you will usually live for most of your time in 3 years before your course is due to start. As an evidence of your residence status, please provide proof of your address, or address from your last 3 years to evidence the country you have been ordinary resident. Example, utility bill, official document, medical certificate, school. So there are many information here. Try to make sure you click on evidence and you come through all of this so that you know exactly if you are eligible or not. Okay, and then after you know everything about this, then you need to know how to apply. Okay, then how to apply is once you receive an offer, as I said before, you need to apply in one of the world institution or college to have an admission. Once you apply and you have an offer in those university, you will just directly click on my finance and funding tab. It might be this side, and then on your application portal you will be updated from February to include application form for scholarship. You will directly see if you already have the offer in your portal. You will see the tab on finance and funding to be able to apply for the scholarship. The scholarship will start in September and October 2024, and the application deadline is Friday, 5th July 2024. Still you have a lot of time because currently you are in February, sorry. So you still have many months to prepare. You can apply directly to this university, make your own research, and also apply and wait for admission directly before applying for this scholarship. And then you will get an admission, you will get decision by mid-August 2024 for the scholarship. And then as you can see, we are unable to accept late application, and any incomplete application may not be considered. Okay, so once you know all those information, you just come to here. You can directly click on college and institution to know in which university you can apply, because it's not all university, but in university, in one of the world institution or college. These are the university, the college that they have here, and the institution of world. Okay, but to make sure that you just come directly to course here, as you can see, we offer pre-degree, undergraduate, postgraduate, and short courses in 18 subjects. You can see the course listing below and find the perfect course at the right level and follow your passion at work. You see, those are just certificate, and those are undergraduate. As you are applying for this scholarship, you come down, you can see directly here, postgraduate course, and then you choose one of these program here. So as I'm just guiding you, I will just choose, you can also see if you did not see your program here, you can just directly come here to view all postgraduate courses. Okay, so you come down, and then you will see exactly what are the subject. You can, if you want, you can just type the name of the program you want to do. Okay, postgraduate, the name of the college, and then you type the subject here. Okay, if not, you come just down and then you see, for example, graduate diploma in fashion or master in art and science. Then we, for example, we just click here, and then it will directly send us here to this portal. Okay, we just make sure that you read everything about this university and how to apply to this university. Those information are really necessary for you. So make sure you come here to the entry requirement, you check the eligibility criteria of this course, and make sure that you are really eligible, because this is the first step to apply for the scholarship. You need to apply for to get a letter of admission in one of those colleges to apply for the scholarship. So if you do not have the requirement for this scholarship, you check it for this university, you check another college here. And then if you really get all the information you need, you just come here to apply. Or before also, you can also come to career to check exactly what are the career opportunity of this scholarship. It will help of this program of study. It will help you to write your personal statement later. Okay. And then as you can see here, the first round is already deadline was already passed. It was 2023 December, but the second round is still on. It's April 2024. So you can apply by April 2024 to get admission in this university, and then apply for this scholarship once you get the admission later. So for that, you just come here. Okay, you click on start your application. You know, sometimes it's really seems difficult to apply for scholarship or to apply for university, but you just need to know exactly what you want as a student, what is your background, what are the university that offers your academic program, and also what are the opportunity they also offer. So they will send you directly to this portal, and once you have it, you see Master of Art and Science. This is just an example. We check your own program. It starts in September 2024. Okay, if you have not applied to us using the online application from before, select new user. So you don't have directly, you come and select new user, you click on new user, because you see this is full-time, right? Okay, so what you have to do is just you write your name, your personal information, you write everything here, and create user. Make sure you click all those, because you cannot pass without those. So make sure you click on all of them, and you check your information if everything is really okay according to your true information. And after you finish everything, you just click on create user. They will directly send you an email and a link to activate your email, and then you continue your application. Make sure you send all the documents they require in this application, and then make yourself stand out during this application by really being honest in your application, giving the right information, and also checking the eligibility criteria, the career development for this program, so that it will help you to write a standing personal statement. Okay, so if you have any information also or question regarding to this scholarship, and also question, you can join my WhatsApp group that you can see down in the description of this video. I share information and mentorship. I already helped many people, especially for the cannabis scholarship, and I also posted many scholarship there. You can see, and you can also apply. And if you did not yet subscribe to my channel, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. As you can see, I have many scholarship available here, and I upload video almost every day to help you get the right one that suit you. Okay, so thank you so much for staying until the end. And if this video really helped you, leave a comment. And if you have anything like a request, like kind of scholarship that you would like me to make, just don't hesitate to text me or directly join my WhatsApp group, so that we can go in this journey together. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.